Welcome to this overview of the Pokfeic Portable Closet Wardrobe, a smart storage solution for your clothes. This spacious closet measures 64 inches wide, 16.5 inches deep, and 68 inches tall, offering plenty of room for your wardrobe. It features a durable frame made from 20 steel tubes and PP connectors, wrapped in waterproof, non-woven fabric for long-lasting use. With 4 hanging rods and 8 shelves, you can easily organize clothes, shoes, hats, and accessories in one place. Assembly is simple and tool-free, guided by clear instructions or a helpful video. This multifunctional closet fits perfectly in bedrooms or living rooms to keep your space tidy. If any issues arise, customer support is ready to help you quickly and effectively. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.